Hello, my name is Bernadette. I'm a librarian with LA County Library. I have some exciting news to share. Did you know that our Spring and Summer Discovery program has started? This is our annual celebration of reading, learning, and curiosity for people of all ages, and I would like to invite you, your family, and your friends to sign up for this exciting program. Today, I will be showing you how to use our Kirigami Window display kit. At the end of our demonstration, I will provide a link to our online Spring and Summer Discovery program to sign up online, or you can visit your local library to pick up a game card. I will show you how to create an abstract woven window display using the Kirigami technique, and we'll talk about this traditional art practice. Let's get started. For this activity, we will need a few materials: paper, scissors, pencil, or pen. Kirigami is a paper craft art similar to origami. Kirigami involves folding. What makes Kirigami different is that it also involves cutting. In Japanese, kiru means cut, while kami means paper. Both Kirigami and origami require patience and can be quite meditative experiences. Kirigami is simple in essence. However, more intricate designs can be made with more detailed cuts and folds. Now let's make our own. Start with a rectangular piece of paper and fold it in half lengthwise. Begin marking diagonal lines along the folded side of the paper. Be sure to keep them as equal and as evenly spaced as possible. You may choose to begin cutting without marking the lines, but again, try to keep everything as evenly spaced. Keep the paper folded and cut the diagonal lines. Open the paper. You should now have a number of chevrons or V-shapes. Make sure the V's are right side up. Repeating this pattern, fold every other V-shape upward. Once you have folded every other V-shape upwards, you will have a three-dimensional cutout piece that you can hang on your window to catch the light and create shadows. Experiment with this pattern on different sizes of paper and create cards or bookmarks. Interested in trying other Japanese-inspired paper crafts? Check out our Japanese Paper Crafting by Michael G. LaFosse from your nearest library and learn even more activity ideas inspired by traditional Japanese crafts. We hope you have enjoyed the Summer Discovery Take-Home Activity Kit. You can sign up for our Summer Discovery program at lacountylibrary.org/spring-summer-discovery. Click the link in the description box for upcoming programs, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for easy access to new videos. Bye for now.